Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty banana and meat soup known as Matoke in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need a half a kg of meat. I've used lamb meat, or you can use any meat that you prefer. 6 green bananas known as matoke. 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger. Mix different types of bell peppers. 1 lime, or you can use a lemon. 1 piece of magi, or you can use jumbo. Some salt to taste. Some black pepper. 1 slice of onion, and lastly 1 carrot. In a medium small pot, you're going to add the meat. Make sure you've washed the meat. Then afterwards, sprinkle some salt and black pepper. Then you're going to add some ginger and garlic pastes and give a quick mix. Then lastly, squeeze some lime juice, or you can use a lemon, and mix once more. Then cover to let the meat to cook until it becomes soft. Once the meat is soft, you're going to remove the meat out from the fire and place it aside. The next step, you're going to place a medium pot on a medium heat. Then you're going to add the green bananas. Make sure you've cut them into 2. Then add the sliced carrot, sliced onion, mixed bell pepper, and a piece of magi, or you can use a jumbo. Then you're going to add the remaining garlic and ginger pastes. Then sprinkle some black pepper and some salt and mix everything well and nice. Lastly, you're going to add the boiled meat and a bit of water and mix once more and cover to let it cook on a medium heat until the bananas are nicely cooked. Once your matokes are nicely cooked, you're going to squeeze the remaining lime juice and cover once more to let it cook for approximately 3 minutes. After approximately 3 minutes, our matokes are nicely cooked, as you can see in the video, and serve in a bowl. And our tasty matoke meat soup is ready, as you can see in the video. You can eat along with some bread, or you can eat it just like that with some chili and enjoy this tasty matoke meat soup. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of soups, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.